Have you ever clicked on a live stream only to be met with a countdown timer and immediately clicked away? Or maybe you've actually sat through one waiting for the real content to begin thinking, why is this taking so long? Well, as a content creator, I had the same question. Should I use a countdown timer for my YouTube live stream, or is it just killing my audience retention? So I did some research, and in this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of using a countdown timer, how to make it actually engaging, and the ideal length to keep people watching. And at the end, I'll share what I'm going to do moving forward. Let's dive in. If you're a content creator or planning to go live on YouTube, you might be wondering, will a countdown timer help keep viewers around, or will it drive them away? I've seen big creators use timers that last 10 minutes or more, while others jump straight into the content. So, which approach is best? I went down a deep research rabbit hole, and here's what I found: the pros and the cons of countdown timer. So let's look at some of the pros of a countdown timer. 1, it builds anticipation before the stream starts. A countdown timer creates a sense of excitement and expectation. This helps set the mood and prepares your audience for what's to come. 2, it gives latecomers a chance to join without missing key points. Now, not everyone joins right when you go live. A short countdown lets people click the notification, grab their coffee, and settle in before the actual content begins. 3, it increases watch time if done right. YouTube loves higher watch time and viewer retention. If a countdown keeps viewers engaged, especially with music, live chat interaction, or a preview of what's coming, it can actually boost your stream's performance. 4, it makes your stream look polished and professional. A well-designed countdown makes your stream look organized, high quality, and professional. It can also reinforce your branding with your logo, color scheme, or a short animation. Now, what are the cons of a countdown timer? 1, if it's too long, people click away immediately. Viewers have short attention spans. If they see a 5 or 10-minute countdown, many will leave before the stream even starts. 2, it can feel impersonal if there's no engagement. A countdown with no voiceover, no music, or no interaction can feel like dead air. Viewers might think, why am I watching a clock tick down, and then leave. Another con is it delays delivering value, which can lose viewer trust. People click on your stream because they want to hear from you or learn something. A long countdown can make it feel like you're wasting their time. Now, here's my experience as a YouTuber on my other channel at Marianne Cresp. I've done over 160 live streams in the last 2.5 years, and I'm still not 100% sure if a countdown timer is the right move. I've tried both approaches: streams with a countdown and streams that jump straight into the content. And honestly, I'm still figuring it out. Most YouTube experts and streaming gurus that I've watched say that don't use a countdown timer, it kills your audience retention. Or if you do use one, always edit it out at replay. But are they right? When I used a long countdown, I noticed a huge drop-off in viewers. People popped in and then they popped out. So how can I make countdown work without losing viewers? So instead of having just a plain countdown timer, here are some things I can do. 1, use background music to keep the energy up. Now, I'm already doing this. I've even received feedback from my viewers on Marianne Cresp that my Epidemic soundtracks, not sponsored, help set the mood. Now, check the description for my Epidemic Sound affiliate link if you are interested in adding music to your countdown timer or even your YouTube videos without getting any copyright strike. Now, also, the other thing you can do is to engage with the live chat before starting. This makes people feel like they're already part of the stream. You can also show a coming up agenda. I'm going to test adding a quick visual preview of what's coming and see how engagement is then. Now, on YouTube, you can create a poll in the live chat, but I have also started doing an on screen poll. So, what I've done is I've just asked a question, 2 to 3 different options. But to make it easy for your live viewers to type something in, put an emoji option. So then that way it's an easy micro decision. So here are some key takeaway from today's video. The first few minutes should feel engaging. So people feel like something is already happening, not just waiting for the stream to start. And what is the best countdown length? If you do use a countdown timer, how long should it be? The sweet spot would be 2 to 5 minutes max. Anything longer, most viewers leave before you even start talking. Now, I know as a viewer, if I see a 5-minute countdown timer or longer, I'm less likely to stick around. Now, some big streamers keep to just 30 seconds or a minute, long enough to get the chat warmed up, but not too long that it loses momentum. So, what am I going to do? Here's my plan moving forward. Keep a countdown timer, but shorter, maybe around 2 minutes or less. Make it engaging with music, live chat interaction, and a fun visual poll. Also, changing things up. I'm going to keep testing different approaches to see what works best for my audience. I might even try letting the audience vote on whether we should have a countdown or not in a future live stream. Or I can even ask them in a community poll post or create a poll, quiz, or feedback form and add it to my weekly email newsletter. That way I can get a more concrete answer straight from my audience. Now here's a question of the day. Do you use a countdown for your stream, or are you still nervous about going live? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and continue the conversation in the comments section. Now, if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button so more content creators can find it. And if you love talking about content creation strategies, make sure to subscribe because I'll be sharing more insights as I figure things out myself. I'll see you in the next video.